Well, hey all, welcome. Today I'm going to show you this toolkit here that was sent to me by the seller. Now, before I got it, I thought, now who's going to use these tools? But when I started looking at the kit, I realized it has just about everything a homeowner would need. Somebody that isn't a professional, but is a homeowner that has to do things around the house. For example, it has this little kit here for hanging pictures or hanging something on the wall. These are drywall anchors. I use them all the time and they work great. Now, to be perfectly honest with you, I'm kind of impressed with this toolkit. The hammer, for example, is significantly heavier than I anticipated. The crescent wrench is another thing. It has these nice padded handles on the tools. It has all kinds of different things in there. What I'm going to do is reposition the camera so I can zoom in and show you everything that comes in the kit. But one thing that really surprised me in the kit is this meter. This is actually an electrical meter that you can use to test if there's electricity. For example, if you got to turn a breaker off for some reason and do something, you want to make sure you turn the right breaker off. Well, I'll show you how you can put this into the receptacle and see if there's voltage there that you did get the right breaker. Let me zoom in and let's take a look. This electrical tester is pretty easy to use, and the best part, it doesn't even need a battery, so you never have to worry about it being dead. Now, looking at it close up, you'll see two metal pads labeled direct and inductance. Now, they aren't actually push buttons, you just rest your finger on them. We're going to use the one that says direct. Just slide the tip, which happens to be a handy flathead screwdriver, into one of the slots on your wall outlet. And while you do that, keep your thumb resting on the direct pad. If the display shows nothing, make sure you check the other slot just to be safe. If you see anything pop up on the display on either side, there is electrical current present. Now let's zoom out and take a close look at the complete 148-piece toolkit. You've got your standard flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, a ratcheting screwdriver that also works with the included sockets, a utility knife with replacement blades, and a mini hacksaw. You're also getting water pump pliers, lineman pliers, needle nose pliers, and a full set of Allen wrenches. Let me pull a couple tools out and take a close look that I think you'll end up using most of the time. Now, this toolkit is a solid value because it packs all the essentials a new homeowner or apartment renter needs for everyday jobs or sudden emergencies. It makes a fantastic housewarming gift that is completely unexpected, but will definitely be appreciated. Now, based on the quality of these tools, I have absolutely no problem recommending this kit. Thanks for watching.